Hi guys, good morning. Feeling very sluggish today. I was supposed to get up at 6 today and I just could not. I think my period is coming. I'm having some slight cramps right now and I just feel more tired than usual. It's 8 a.m. already, so I'm 2 hours later than when I'm supposed to get up. But I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day and show you guys everything I eat today. Alright, let's make a smoothie. There's a fly in my kitchen right now. It's flying around and it's scaring me. Okay, we have bananas, peanut butter, oatmeal, and oatmeal. Okay, I feel like my brain is really not functioning right now. Why on the morning that I decide to film this happens? I feel like this is a good amount. Maybe 2 cups. I'm gonna put some chia seeds on top. Okay, now I'm gonna take my supplements. I have vitamin K2 and D3. I have the 100 complex. I'm gonna take 2 capsules. Also, I cannot swallow multiple pills at one time. It's like impossible for me, so I have to do all of this individually, which is so annoying. Ugh. Okay, let's get dressed and go get coffee. I'm kind of been putting it off because I'm lazy to walk over there, but I feel so sleepy. I need some caffeine right now, so. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit hungry because my breakfast was kind of small, so I'm just making a salad. This is not lunch. I guess it's kind of like a brunch. I'll probably eat something else later, but for now, I just want something really crunchy and chewy because I only have liquids this morning. You know, this is actually a pretty big salad. I might get quite full of this. Let's see, because after this, I'm gonna do some light stretches, light workout, and let's see if I get hungry after. Also, if I'm literally still wearing my pajamas and haven't got my makeup done or anything, it's a Sunday, you know. food looks so good. I have my rice. I cannot live without white rice. I can eat this. I do actually eat this every day. Cannot live without rice. That's just the Asian in me. Okay, it's time for dinner. I'm gonna try and make this ramen that I'm obsessed with. I got it in Bangkok. It's called Tantanmen ramen. I thought I would learn how to make it because I can't just fly to Bangkok every time I want to eat it. I saw this recipe on YouTube. I'm gonna try and make it. So I have the recipe on my Apple Watch. I just have some spring onions and garlic chopped. I have some tofu that I like crumble into this little bowl. We're gonna cook this and make the broth. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna be good or not, but I try my best. This is kind of ugly. I don't know how to arrange this. Okay, the moment of truth. If it's bad, I'm gonna be so sad. I just put a little bit too much chili oil, I think. You wanna taste it? It doesn't taste like that one, but it tastes good on its own. Oh my god, I definitely put way too much chili oil. Oh my god, it's so spicy.
It's spicy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.